Thinking and talking smart involves a combination of knowledge, clarity, and effective communication. Here are some tips to help you. Thinking Smart 1. Stay curious. Cultivate a habit of learning. Read books, listen to podcasts, and engage with diverse topics. 2. Analyze information. Practice critical thinking. Evaluate sources, identify biases, and distinguish between facts and opinions. 3. Ask questions. Don't hesitate to ask clarifying questions. This helps deepen your understanding and can lead to new insights. 4. Reflect. Take time to think about your thoughts. Journaling can help clarify your ideas and decisions. 5. Embrace failure. Learn from your mistakes. Each setback is an opportunity to grow and improve. Talking Smart 1. Be clear and concise. Avoid jargon unless it's necessary. Aim for clarity to ensure your message is understood. 2. Use active listening. Pay attention to others when they speak. This shows respect and can help you respond more thoughtfully. 3. Practice empathy. Understand the perspectives of others. This can help you tailor your message to your audience. Stay informed. Keep up with current events and relevant topics so you can contribute meaningfully to conversations. 5. Develop your vocabulary. A strong vocabulary can help you express yourself more precisely. However, use words appropriately and avoid sounding pretentious. 6. Engage in discussions. Practice articulating your thoughts in conversations or discussions, whether formal or informal. By combining thoughtful analysis with effective communication, you'll be able to think and talk smartly.